the moves, and Carl Brian Cruz now just getting up. Oh, taken away by Merle.
They're gonna dump.
Oh, yeah! Parang tumahimik yung buong stadium for half second there before he slammed it home. That's what Merle can do.
Nanalo ka dahil sa akin, ha? Baka makakalimutan mo. So you better talk that.
That's right. Magnolia, they really turned it on. It was a 20-11, a 31-11 fourth quarter, Dr. J.
Terrific yung ginawa ni Gio Alalo behind the back. Sabay pasa, no look na naman. And finish naman ni Joseph Oriobo properly.
Yun na nga. And then Solat.
Ayan.
Oh, another more time.